fa, sol, la, ti, do. Everyone knows that music has structure, and everyone knows that language has structure. For example, capitalizing the first letter of the first word in a sentence and putting a period at the end. However, most people don't know that imagery also has structure. No, it's not the rule of thirds or the golden ratio. Join us in the only place in the world where you can discover, practice, and understand image structure. Plus, it's the only place in the world you can play a fun online competitive art game. This is a delightful and eye-opening experience that positively changes the way participants see the world and helps them to take great pictures. Listen to what participants say about the program.
Yeah, I've been doing like rule two-thirds for so long and just finding like new ways other than like leading lines.
I'm excited to try it. And I'm also excited to look again at artwork and see where this concept is coming into play.
It was very informative. Thank you so much.
What makes this unique and special is the group activities and being able to actually go in and work with other participants to create something.
Yeah.
You're learning the concepts.
Yeah, I love that you expose us to something new that we never heard about. And that, as Philly say, that we were able to see it in practice, not just as a concept, but we were able to see it and work with it. So it was really great. Thank you.